Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, gagawa ako ng isang affordable summer makeup look. Hindi ko masasabing waterproof tong makeup look na gagamitin ko, but as much as possible, magbibigay ako ng mga tips and advices para maging hulas-proof itong makeup na to. And by the way guys, yung mga products na gagamitin ko at i-mention ko in this video, mahanap nyo ito sa Watsons, sa online stores like Lazada or Shopee, and as much as possible yung gagamitin ko dito ay affordable or yung tipid or budgeted. So, ayun guys, without further ado, let's proceed on sa makeup video. Before ko pa yung makalimutan guys, yung aking skin type ay dry. So, dahil medyo malamig pa rin dito sa area namin, ang aking skin type ay napaka-dry. Pero pag nag-change na yung season into summer, yung T-zone area ko nagiging oily na siya, hindi na siya dry at all. This is something very important na hindi nyo pwedeng kalimutan at isama sa routine nyo kapag summer na. Ito yung pag-apply ng sunblock or sunscreen. And anything will do, like SPF 35, SPF 50, kahit SPF 100 yan, basta maglagay kayo ng sunblock. And for me, ang ginagamit is Nature Republic na sunblock or mild sunblock with SPF 35. Ang ginagawa ko is naglalagay ako ng generous amount sa aking whole face. So, after ko mag-sunblock, gagamit ako ng base or like a cream or facial cream. So, for me, this facial cream, trusted ko na rin to. Super favorite ko to since nung binigay sa akin to ng mom ko galing sa Philippines. And this is from IYT Korea na facial cream. This is the facial cream whitening VITA 3-in-1. And I think pwede to maging makeup base and may protection din siya na additional na SPF 15. And instant white talaga yung aking face. So I'm just going to blend it with my clean fingers. Ang gagamitin ko next is a mattifying primer. And for that, ang gagamitin ko is this Quick FX No Shine Mattifier, and this one it retails for 99 pesos. And by the way, thank you for my best friend, kay Best Catherine. Again, shout out to you dahil pinadalan mo ko nito. So, fresh from the Philippines. Napansin nyo ba na may pagkakaiba na nag-match siya kahit papano? Mas pipiliin ko yung gagamit ako nung BB cream kaysa sa foundation this summer season. And for me, ang ginagamit ko usually kapag gusto ko nung natural looking coverage is this BB Holic Everyday BB Cream. And this one, it retails for 159 pesos. Eto, hindi ko alam guys kung 159 pa rin to or kung tumaas ito. And the shade that I have in here is Beige. Meron din ako ditong nakasashay. And yung nakasashay, this is for 24.50 or 24 pesos and 50 cents. And etong dalawang to, magkaiba sila ng shade. This one is light and this one is beige. But yung ginagamit ko is itong nasa tube na beige. Ang gagamitin ko is yung aking clean hands ulit. So, as you can see, nag-even out yung aking skin tone. And, na-cancel out niya yung redness. Mas lalo na dito sa area ng aking cheeks. Hindi siya ganun ka-sticky, but I will set it later with a powder. It's up to you guys kung gusto nyong mag-concealer. But for me, since I have panda eyes, or yung aking under eyes, ay active niya. Ayun, kailangan ko maglagay ng onting-onting concealer. And for me, yung concealer na alam kong available din sa ating departments or beauty department stores is this Maybelline Fit Me na concealer, and what I have here is in the shade of 20, and I think 199 ata to sa inyo, or hindi siya tataas ng 300 pesos. And for this one guys, yung aking shade is 20, and what I'm going to do is just to apply it here dahil meron na akong panda eyes in here. Yan. And nasa sa inyo na rin yun guys kung gusto nyo mag-spot concealing, but for me, okay na ako. Though meron akong mga blemish spots dyan, but it's okay with me. So what I'm going to do is just to use my clean finger again, this one, yung aking ring finger, and I'm just going to tap it. And blend it. So, ito na yung aking concealer na brighten up niya ng aking under eyes, and I'm satisfied with the coverage kahit hindi siya ganun ka-full coverage. And the next thing that I'm going to do is to set my entire face with a powder. So it's up to you guys kung anong powder yung gagamitin nyo. You can use the Nichido Final Powder, you can use the Coty Airspun, you can use your Laura Mercier na loose setting powder. But for me, I really wanted to try this because my best friend recommended me this, and this is the Beige Spell Magic Powders. And what I have here is the natural and the white. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagamitin ko dito, pero sabi niya both daw to maganda. And by the way, thank you ulit sa best friend ko. And this one, it retails for 21 pesos and 50 cents. And sabi niya, mas maganda daw to sa Nichido Final Powder. Though I have the Nichido Final Powder, but I haven't used that yet. But I will try this first, kasi sabi niya, mas maganda daw ito. But we'll see kung okay nga. So maybe I will use the Daily Spell Magic Powder na natural na lang, this one. So I'm just going to put it here sa aking pang. Ooh, may color nga siya. And what I'm going to do is just to set my under eyes first. You guys, wala akong problema sa mga loose setting powder. Kasi nga, yung aking skin, mabilis naman pakisamahan. The thing is, mukha na ako espasol. The thing is, yung aking mukha kasi ay dry. Minsan normal, minsan abnormal. Diyos. Depende talaga sa season eh. Hindi talaga dry all throughout the year yung aking face. So as you can see guys, nakabake yung aking face with the baby powder, and what I'm going to do next is to blend it together with this powder brush. And actually guys, it's up to you kung gano'n yung katagal i-bake yung inyong face with the powder, and for me, a minute or a couple of minutes is okay. And by the way guys, while I'm blending this powder sa aking entire face, I'm going to share some tips for you guys. So, sa umaga, what you can do is to get a face towel and an ice cube. And from there, yung ice cube, yung smooth part nun, yun yung i-massage nyo sa face nyo. Masali na dun sa mga areas na nakikita nyong malaki yung pores nyo. It will help you na tumagal yung pag-oil up nyo the entire day. And sa akin, tried and tested ko yun. And sa aking skincare regimen before, yun yung aking ginagamit. So, try nyo yun, guys. Sabi ko sa best friend ko, i-try nyo yun kasi talagang, alam nyo yun, mabagal yung pag-oil up nyo. So, by the way, guys, I'm done with my kilay. Ginawa ko na lang siya off-cam. And this kilay is not eyebrows on fleek dahil ang aking peg for this past weeks ay something na, you know, hindi siya ganun ka perfect or yung eyebrows on fleek. Something na bushy yung aking peg ngayon. And with that, ang ginagamit ko usually is this Tony Moly na lovely eyebrow pencil. And this one, guys, I think it retails for 160 to 170 pesos and available sa Watson's department stores. For the blush, guys, gagamit ako ng lip and cheek tint. Meron ako ditong different lip and cheek tints. Like, meron akong KJM na iba't ibang color. So, yan, KJM, yung isa lumang packaging, ito ata yung bago. I forgot the prices, but I think hindi pa to lalagpas ng 200 pesos. Siguro mo 190 or 195, hindi ko sure. Hindi ko talaga sure. And yung colors na meron ako is yung Fused, which is yung favorite ko. Bloodshot, medyo so-so kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig sa red na color. Summer Kiss, di ko pa natatry, tsaka itong Dulled. But itong Dulled, feeling ko magugustuhan ko kasi pink undertone siya. And then, tsaka ko siya itatap dito. Madali naman siyang i-work. Depende kasi sa control ng paglagay nyo. So again, kamay lang uli yung gamit ko. So as what you can see guys, may kulay na yung aking face. And ito yung ginamit ko, itong KJM na lip and cheek tint in the shade of Fused. And sa lahat, ito yung favorite color ko. And nasa sa inyo yan guys kung gusto nyo ng drunk blush na blush, or kung gusto nyo yung natural or yung ganitong itsura lang. So for me, mas okay na ako dito sa medyo may pagka-natural. Yun yung aking peg for today. Nasa sa inyo din yan guys kung gusto nyo pang iset ng powder. But for me, hindi ko na siya isaset ng powder kasi matte na yung aking entire face. And what I'm going to do next is to bronze my face. It's up to you guys kung gusto nyong mag-bronze, but since gusto ko lang maglagay ng onting kulay pa sa aking mukha, gagamit lang ako ng bronzer. And for the bronzer, I'm going to use this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. And I think available to sa Shopee and Lazada. So, maglalagay lang ako dito, onting-onti lang guys. Dito. By the way guys, yung aking buhok magulo talaga kasi kahapon galing kami ng Color Factory and nagkulot ako ng buhok. Tapos, hindi pa kasi ako maliligo. So, maliligo ako mamaya pang hapon. And I'm just going to put some here on my nose para lang magkaroon ng onting bridge. I want to use is this Essence na Pure Nude Highlighter. And ito, alam niyo naman na maganda talaga to. Madaming Filipino or Filipina YouTubers na talagang nag-rave dito. And wala naman din talaga akong masabi dito sa highlighter na to. So, dahil feeling extra ko today, mag-highlight ako ng bonggang-bongga. At dahil summer naman, uso yung sun-kissed glow or yung mga dewy-dewy na look. So, ang gagawin ko is maglalagay ako dito. Of course, dito muna sa aking brow bone area. And then here. And then dito sa nose area. Ito yung binabalik-balikan ko. Kahit mura siya, maganda pa rin siya. Ayan. O, diba? And of course, dito. And here. Curl ko lang yung aking lashes. So, it's up to you guys kung gusto nyo maglagay ng eyeshadow. But for me, sa look na ito, hindi na ako maglalagay ng eyeshadow. Okay na ako sa mascara. And for the mascara, what I'm going to use is this Heroine Long and Curl Mascara na waterproof in the shade of black. So, for the lips naman, guys, it's up to you kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. Pwedeng lipstick, pwedeng liquid lipstick, pwedeng lip and cheek tint, pwedeng lip gloss. What I'm going to do is just to use kung ano yung ginamit sa aking cheeks. And I'm going to use this chicken lip tint, again, from KJM. So, ang gagawin ko lang is just to apply this here sa gitna, first. Ayan. And then, papatungan ko siya nitong PERA. So, hindi ko pwedeng kalimutan na tong last step na to, which is to set my entire face. And yung gagamitin ko is this MILANI Make It Last na setting spray. Tried and tested ko na to. Maganda talaga siya, guys. But ang gagawin ko is imimix ko siya together with this Make It Dewy. So this is the final look, guys, and I hope na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. And if you do like this video, you can click the thumbs up button, and if you want to get notified with my new uploads, you can click the bell button or the subscribe button down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye!